This is the strongest I've ever seen you.
Yeah?
Yeah, the strongest I've ever, and I know you since you're 13. I think this impressed the shit out of me. Nothing impresses me. You know, I'm gonna tell you the truth, I don't lie. I was worried about him traveling here, traveling there, he's not getting, I can.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas it.
You have your ego. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that you're here for a purpose, to enrich the world. Your destiny is in your mouth, in your mind. Once you receive that level of confidence and it's practiced properly, it will surpass a genius. There's nothing more supreme than confidence. Confidence breeds success, and success breeds confidence. Applied properly, you're inconquerable.
Do you think you'd be fighting again at age 57?
Hey, listen, it was written. That's all I know is written. Right? Millions of years before my bloodline was existent. It's written, brother. And what do you think? Well,
I think you look in pretty good shape. We've been doing this for a long time.
Yeah, I think
I'm
we'll
wondering
do
how
it.
you feel now compared to when you were fighting.
I feel I don't have to call people bad names. I feel really happy. It's gonna be a good day.
And as a fighter, where are you?
Who, me? I'll be better by the time of the fight.
In your head. Are you the fighter that you were when you were the youngest heavyweight champion? Are you still that guy? Are you a different fighter, or do you still imagine you are what you were?
Well, no, I know. I never lied to myself, but I know I'm good enough.
What did you prove to yourself when you fought Roy?
I didn't prove anything. What I proved, I did my medicine, the goat medicine, my EMT, my toad, and it told me I was a better person to still fight. That's what it did.
And the popularity that it showed, were you surprised at the pay-per-view number that it occurred during COVID and you still sold more than anybody who was currently in the game?
I'm just very grateful. Because of that, I don't look at myself as I'm better than those guys. Everybody has a different era. I'm fortunate enough that different generations are aware of who I am, and most of it is because of my crazy acting. I'm very grateful for that too, because it drew the fans. This is just a new era of Mike Tyson.
Movement's great, agility is great.
13, 14, breathe.
Conditioning is amazing, power is unbelievable.
You'll have a nice one.
That was the best we've seen him yet. It's gonna be a rough night.
I've been doing this for years. Teenagers, so it's just a form of anticipation.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
And that could be a form of nervousness and fear too.
9, 10, 11.
It never goes away no matter how old you are.
Do you think you'd be fighting again at age 57?
Hey, listen, it was written millions of years before my bloodline was existent. It's written.
big boy, sign the contract. I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat his children.
It's a war.
When we left the fuck alone.
You gotta really believe that.
It's all I ever lived for. It's all I ever lived for.
Doubt should be eliminated. You should be a doubt annihilator.
My mentor gave me that little man. I want it all. You know, I'm talking, I want it all. You be careful what you wish for. You might get it.
You kill people in the ring, you should kill doubt in your mind and in your soul and your heart. Kill it. It's dead.
You've probably found something in yourself for this fight, and you're giving it off already. That vibe is back in you. We can feel it. We can feel it right now.
Fight it every day because it's going to be hard. It's not going anywhere.
Are you bringing darkness on Friday night?
Even better than that, bring the devil himself.
I'm the best ever. You can try to save yourself. The most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me.
If he doesn't die, it doesn't count.
I'ma keep winning.